This is question 59 on chemistry from the 2011 IMAT. So we're asked, how does atomic radius change on crossing period 4 of the periodic table? And it's split up into 3, so from potassium to calcium, scandium to zinc, and gallium to bromine. So does the radius increase or decrease in each of these parts? So firstly, what determines the atomic radius of an atom? So we know it's not the size of the nucleus, it actually depends on the electron configuration. So let's try and work this out for each of these. So from potassium to calcium, how does the electron configuration change? Well, if you focus on the outer electrons, because we know it's in the same period, what's going to happen? So potassium is 4s1, being a group 1 element, it's only got one s electron. Calcium, being in group 2, is 4s2. So we're going from 4s1 to 4s2. What happens to the radius? So we're increasing the nuclear charge by 1 because calcium has one more proton and our electrons are in the same subshell. So what happens to the electron shells? These pull in closer to the nucleus because of the higher charge. So what happens to our radius? It decreases. So next, from scandium to zinc, what's going on here? So we should know that scandium is at the start and zinc is at the end of the transition series. So what does this mean for the electron configuration? Scandium is 3d1 and zinc is 3d10. So similarly to before, what's going to happen to the radius? So we're staying in the same subshell for electrons and we're increasing the nuclear charge by 10. So we're going to have the exact same analysis. So what's going to happen to the radius? This will also decrease. Then from gallium to bromine, what's happening? So gallium is 1 after zinc, so what's its electron configuration going to be? It's going to end in 4p1. And what about bromine? Well, we know this is a halogen, so it's not all the way to the end, but we're filling up the p block by 5 electrons. So we're going from 4p1 to 4p5. Same analysis as before, we're staying in the same subshell, but we're increasing the nuclear charge. So the radius, again, will decrease. So this is our final answer. The radius will decrease in all 3 cases. So this corresponds on the question paper to answer C.